Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the dimensions and measure filter in Tableau. So let's open our Tableau application. We need to first create a chart to actually show how this filter works. The dataset is already selected as well. Now we are creating data chart between subcategories and sales. So now filters are basically used to filter out the unwanted data from the dataset and show us the exact data that we are looking in our dataset. So if you want to exclude or don't want to show all the data in your chart, then you can use the filters option. So let's see that how to add filters. Let's start with dimension filter. So let's suppose you want to filter the subcategories on the basis of some conditions. So drop the subcategories to the filter section here, and then you can see that you have three options, that is select from list, custom value list and use all. So let's go with select from list. So if you select directly from here, so only those subcategories will be displayed and the other will not be displayed. Click OK. So now you see that we have just included only these subcategories and you can also show the filter. Right click on that and you have the option show filter. And from here, user can select and deselect any of these subcategories as well. The other way to create a filter is to create it directly from the chart. Let's remove this filter. So if we select the data, it will give us the option keep only. Click on it and now it will filter out the selected subcategories only. Now if you click on show filter, then again you have come to the previous space where you have created the filter using this dimension pane here. So this is the dimension filter and right now it is the checkboxes, but you can change the format of it. So click on it and it have the option single value list, so that only one subcategory you would be able to select here. Also you have the option of a single value drop down, and also you have multi-value option as well. You can choose any according to your need. For now, let's go with a multiple value list, that is the initial one. Now we'll see that there are few conditions on the basis of that you can create a filter. So let's select all here and then edit the filter. So here you have wildcard, condition and you have top option. Let's see the top first. Select by field and let's say we want to see top 5 subcategories on the basis of the sale. Click OK, and so now these are the 5 subcategories which recorded the highest sales. In the same way, you can again edit the filter. Just mention the condition and you have the condition here. You can mention by field sales is greater than or equals to 200,000 and click OK. So now it has shown only those subcategories which has recorded more than 200,000 of sale. Let's change this to 300,000. So now it will show only 2 subcategories. Let's now see wildcard, where we can match the value and filter the data according to the value. Let's say we want to all the subcategories which start with A. Click OK and now it only show all those subcategories. So here we have appliances, accessories and art. The other one is the measure filter. So let's drop the sales to the filter section. And here you have the option that how do you want to filter on sales. That is sum, average, median, count, etc. Let's go with the sum. Click next and now in the filter dialog box you have 4 options: range of values, at least, at most and special. At least means that you won't be able to change your highest value, but you can change the lowest value. In the at most, you won't be able to change the starting value, but you can change the highest value. In the special, you can see null values or all values or no null values. For now, let's go with the range values, where user can change both the starting point and the end point. Click OK and now it will filter the data based on your given range. You can modify it from here as well. Now let's suppose in the place of a subcategory you have the order date. So remove subcategory from the view and drop the order date to the columns here and use it as month, that is the continuous month. Now let's drop the order date to filter here. Now this is the date field, so you will see the different option here. So you can filter out on the basis of years, quarters, months, days, and this is the range of date, and if it is the relative date, then you need to select relative date option. Click next, and here you will have the option again that how it is relative. Here you have the option of anchor relative to the date. You can also change the date. You will modify the anchor value, but the relative date always behave with the anchor date if this option is selected. But if you don't select it, then by default it will select today's date. In the same way, you have the range of date, starting date, the same way you have seen in the measure filter. Now let's say we need to filter it out on the basis of years. Let's say we want to see the data of 2016 and 17. Click OK and it will show the data according to your filter. That is it for this video on the dimension and measure filters in Tableau. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.